Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm reviewing this cream from this brand name Some by Me. This is their Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Cream. I purchased the mini version. I paid $6 for this and we get 20-gram product. This cream is artificial fragrance free, but this has some fragrance ingredients. This is also not essential oil free. This has bergamot fruit oil. This is alcohol free. If you care about parabens and silicones, this is paraben free, but this is not silicone free. This is not fungal acne safe, and if I'm not wrong, Some by Me is not cruelty free. This cream has 40% snail filtrate. Snail filtrate is anti-aging, it's brightening, it helps with redness. It's also a great option for acne prone skin. This also has tea tree leaf water, another great ingredient for acne prone skin. This also has centella and 3 active compounds of centella. These are soothing and calming ingredients. This also has adenosine, a great anti-aging ingredient. This also has vitamin E, a great antioxidant. This also has glycerin, a great humectant. This also has collagen, cholesterol, and 5 ceramides. These ingredients help strengthen your moisture barrier. This also has squalene. Squalene lock the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. And squalene also reverse some of the UV damage. This also has some fragrance ingredients like linalool, and this also has bergamot fruit oil. Bergamot fruit oil can be very irritating. Fragrance of this cream is strong. It smells like lemons. When you apply this cream on your face, for next 30 minutes, you smell like lemons. Fragrance linger. If you have sensitive skin, this cream is not for you. I could not use this cream after exfoliating my face, after shaving, and I get this rash on my neck. My neck is sensitive and I could not use this cream on my neck. This was stinging my neck. If you have sensitive skin, this cream is not for you. I'm very glad I purchased the mini version. This is not a bad product, but it's the kind of product that you purchase one time and then you never purchase again. There are few things that I like about this cream. This is very lightweight. It's lightweight, but it locks the moisture in and help with transepidermal water loss. The finish of this cream is very pretty. It's very natural. It don't look shiny. It don't look glowy. It look really natural. Like I said, this cream is very lightweight, but it's very deeply hydrating. I love using it around my eyes because this plump up your skin really well and your wrinkles and fine lines appear less visible. These are the things that I like about this cream. But like I said, I could not use this cream after shaving. I could not use this cream after exfoliating. I couldn't use it on my neck. This was stinging my face. So I will not recommend this cream to people who have sensitive skin. And I'm not going to purchase this cream again, even though this sting for like 20-30 seconds, but it's still annoying. Do I recommend this cream to you guys? There are far better moisturizers in the market. I don't recommend this product. This is very irritating and you don't want to deal with that. But if you still want to try this cream, I think this is a great option for combination skin. If you have oily skin, you might find it a little too moisturizing and hydrating. But if you have combination skin, I think you will enjoy this. But if your skin is sensitive, this is not for you. My experience with this cream was okay. I liked it, but it's not the kind of product that I will purchase again, and I'm glad I purchased the mini version. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.